Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope so you are doing well and have done all the given practice work by yourself for the construction of right, acute and obtuse angles. Now in this lecture I am going to start the construction of straight angle. Okay, construction of straight angle. So open your booklet, page number 71. So before to start the construction, you should know about the straight angle. What actually the straight angle? A straight angle is drawn like a straight line of 180 degree. So what's a straight angle? Straight angle is actually like a straight line like this. This one is a straight line. So a straight angle, by the name you can also guess what is a straight angle. A straight angle is drawn like a straight line, and this straight line is actually the 180 degree in your protractor. So by use of protractor, when you will construct the straight angle, that will be like a straight line and the angle is of 180 degree. Now the procedure is given. All the procedure is same, just the degree is different. So all these steps are same like the previous, just these two steps are different according to the degrees. So I will guide you how to construct the straight angle by the example. Okay, this guideline is just for you people. I am just going to construct the angle for you people. Now in this figure you can see this dark line is actually represent the straight angle CBA or ABC. This one is a CBA or ABC. This one is a straight angle of 180 degree. Look here, angle CBA is a straight angle. Why B is in the middle position? Because we are constructing the straight angle at point B, and this point B is our vertex. So vertex is always in the middle position. This one is another simple figure for the straight angle. This curved line represents the straight angle, like the amount of space between the point A and point C. This whole space actually represents the straight angle. So this whole space is of 180 degree, and this one is a straight line represents the straight angle. How this one is the straight angle, I will also guide you with the help of the compass how the movement of the arms is there. Okay, let's start the example. Construction of straight angle. Okay, construction of straight angle mean a straight angle of 180 degrees straight line. This angle will be in the straight line. Look here, first step is same, draw a baseline of the arm, first arm of the angle. This one is the baseline. I will give the name A and B. Now I want to construct a straight angle at point B. B will be our vertex. Take your protractor. Take the protractor. Origin will be at the top of the vertex and arm of the angle should be along with the baseline of the protractor. This one is correct position of the protractor. Now we have to construct a straight angle. We have to construct a straight angle. So straight angle mean 180 degrees. So as I told you, when we will construct the angle at point B, we will use this side of the protractor. Now in this side of the protractor, find where is the 180 degree. This one is the 180 degree. So I will mark over here, this one is 180 degree. This one 180 degree. Now remove the protractor and match this line with this point. Okay, this one is 180 degree. Look here, I will do it again. I will put the vertex over the origin. Now this one is 180 degree. This one, okay, the last point is 180 degree. I will mark it over here. Then I will match this vertex B with this dot. Okay, now this one is the angle of 180 degree, and how we will represent? Like this. This one is our angle of 180 degree, and angle is a straight line. Got it? How the movement of the arm is over here? Actually, this one is the second arm. This one BA is the first arm of the angle, and I will give the name C to this point, and CB is the second arm of the angle, and this one is like this. I will also show you with the help of protractor the movement of the arms. This arm was actually very first position. This arm was like this. When you want to construct the angle, this arm, the movement of this arm is like this, and this arm starts the movement like this, and here this protractor is just moving at this position. This compass is moving just over here, and when you will move this arm like this till 180 degree, then this whole space between the arm AB and arm BC, this whole space represents the angle of 180 degree. How we will write the angle? In the notation form, angle CBA is equal to 180 degree, or you can also write angle AB and C is equal to 180 degree. Keep it in your mind that your vertex where you are constructing your angle should be in the middle position when you will show the notation form of the angle. Clear? Now I will show you with the help of the compass about the movement of this arm of the angle. This one is the first arm of the angle, this one is the second arm of the movement, and how this arm is over here. The movement starts from this 0, and then the movement like this. The movement of the arm is going like this until 180 degree. Okay, now I will show you this movement with the help of the compass. Now look here, the movement of the arm of the angle. This was your point B, and this was your point A. This one is your point B, and this one is your point A, and you are constructing your angle of 180 degree at point B. So this arm is actually start movement from 0. So to get the 180, actually your arm of the angle starts the movement like this, and we are moving this arm till the degree 180 long like this. This one is the movement of the arm. That's why we are getting this straight line. This one is the actual movement of the arm. This one is the vertex B. This one is the first arm BA, and this one, this moving arm is the second arm of the angle, and this movement till 180 gets a straight line. This straight line represents the 180 degree. So this whole space between arm BA and the arm BC is actually, this angle is of 180 degree. Hope so the concept of the straight angle is now clear to you. You can practice a straight angle by yourself with the help of protractor, and you can also check it with the help of the compass. This one is the bigger one compass. Normally you have this compass in your geometry box. You can take the help from this compass. For any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.